Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to the channel. This is Sunset Drone GH. Today we are coming to you live from Kumasi Central Market. That's the Kumasi Central Market Redevelopment project that we are showing you right now. This is our January update. I think if I'm correct, this is about our fourth update on this project. There's a massive project which is going on at Kumasi, just adjacent the kejetia market. This place is being redeveloped into a very nice and beautiful market center, and it is just an amazing work that's going on over there. Currently, as you can see, work has been halted because of the festive and the Christmas break festivity, and the workers are on break. As you can see, all the vehicles are being parked and the place is looking isolated, left with only security personnel taking care of the place and the items that have been left over there. As you can see, it's a very great and beautiful, nice project that the country is spending a lot of money to make sure this project is completed. Currently, you can see some of the staircase that we used to climb this beautiful edifice being mounted, as you can see in the shot right now. It's a very beautiful project. It's a very beautiful work that is being done over there by the contractors, and the place, I know when completed, is going to be an amazing and beautiful center, as we can witness from the completed kejetia market. It is my hope that our people will just understand and take good care of whatever that is being built with all the state coffers. And I'm hopeful that there will be a time that each one of us will collectively help and assist, so that our maintenance culture and everything that is being done by the state will be catered for very well. What is going on currently at the kejetia markets is just nothing to write home about, and I hope and believe that those things are going to cease and they are going to change in the near future. This is Central Market Redevelopment Project. We hope that very soon the project will be completed, and the sellers who are being relocated to different market centers will be brought back to their old places for them to come and work. This is a very beautiful edifice. As you can see, most of the platforms has been mounted, waiting for the structure to be erected. Work is progressing, and I know very soon the work is going to come to an end, and it will be handed over to the market women. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, I would just entreat you to click on the red subscribe button to become part of this amazing Sunset family. And please don't forget to always like, comment, and share on all our videos. Please, it is our task, and we hope that we will give you good content, and always we are planning on giving you absolutely amazing and nice footage of our projects and our towns as time goes on. Please do well to entreat others to subscribe to the channel, and let us grow this community of Sunset Drone GH. Sit back, please, and enjoy this video. Let's share our thoughts and ideas on how we can make this channel